give you 11 ways you can make extra money on the side, part-time, and some could be full-time. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy. I make videos about making money, saving money, investing, real estate investing, and credit cards. So if these are subjects you're interested in, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This is going to be packed with information, so get ready to take some notes and let's get to it. Rent out what you're not using and make some extra money. You can rent your stuff on fatllama.com. This is a website you can list pretty much anything. Your camera, your bikes, anything that you're not using, and people will rent it. You can rent out an extra room in your house on Airbnb. You can rent out your garage, a parking space, or storage area in your garage. If you have enough room, you could rent out an area to store an RV or a boat. Flip items. This is something that I did for years and I made some pretty good money. There's a lot of ways you can do it, so I'll kind of run through them. The first one's Craigslist. You go on Craigslist, you look at the items for sale, and you click on free items. Look through that, see if there's anything that you could get for free and flip and make some money. Then you click on Save Search, and you'll get an email every time the free items come up. I actually have this set up so I can get an email every day to look at the items that are free. I'm not flipping items right now, but it's interesting to see how much is out there and people are willing to get for free. You can also get items from garage sales. I used to do this and it was pretty good money. I went to garage sales, I looked at the items, and I would actually sell them on eBay. One thing that's nice is when you're at the garage sale, you can just pull out your phone and see what they're going for on eBay. You'll want to look at the item and then go to the advanced search and click on sold items so you can see what that item is actually selling for. You'd be surprised how many people have new items that they've never even opened, electronics and all kinds of stuff, and you can just sell them on eBay, or if it's too heavy, you can just resell it back on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist or OfferUp or Nextdoor. When you're flipping items, if you have something that you have a lot of knowledge on, it's really easy to flip those items. So let's say, for example, you know a lot about golf clubs or camera equipment or pretty much anything of any value. Set up a search on Craigslist so that you get an email every time those items come for sale, and if it's a good deal, you can purchase it and then resell it. Kind of keep an eye out what's hot and what's not, and you're going to have some opportunities come to you just by paying attention. One opportunity I found is when everything got shut down, my gym was closed. Because I work from home, I always went to the gym because I wanted to get out, but I found myself not having a gym to go to. Like everybody else, I needed to make myself a home gym. The problem is all the equipment for the home gyms was sold out everywhere and I couldn't find it. So I started looking online on OfferUp and Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. I created search alerts and I just kept looking and looking and looking, and the prices were just crazy. So I did wait probably a week or so. And then I started finding a few items that were pretty decent. Then I found a few items here and there, and every time one came up and I liked it and it was what I wanted, I would immediately call them and go pick it up. So probably within 20-30 minutes, because it was in my area, and I would pick up all these items. Well, I ended up having too many dumbbells and too much workout equipment, and then I ended up just selling them. But when I sold them, I made about double and sometimes even more. I saw that as an opportunity, and I just kept my search alerts, and every time I found something that was a pretty good deal, I would buy them. As far as the dumbbells go, if they were a little bit older and rusted out, I would just clean them up, spray a little Rust-Oleum on them, sand them, and make tons of money. Well, I won't say tons of money, but I made some money. So that was pretty cool. So you just want to keep your eyes open, be aware. This next one's going to make you $400, and it's not going to take you very long. The first thing you do is you get the Bank of America Cash Rewards credit card. It's a free card, and if you spend $1,000 in just 3 months, you're gonna get $200. Next, get the Saver One Capital One credit card. Again, it's a free card. If you spend $500 in 3 months, they're gonna give you $200. So you're now gonna make $400. I make quite a few videos on credit cards, so I'm gonna say this as I say in every credit card video. When you use credit cards, make sure that you're not spending any more than you would anyway. Pay them in full each month on time so you have no fees, and you're gonna get so many benefits. If you already know you're not the type of person that can have a credit card and not overspend, or you're gonna just not pay it off, then just skip this one because that one's not for you. But if you can do this, $400, that's pretty cool. The next one is Taskrabbit. That's an app that you can download and you can help people out. You can do pretty much anything on Taskrabbit. You can assemble furniture, handyman, you can wait in line, you can run errands for people, pretty much anything you can think of, and the amount of money people can charge on there is pretty high. You will need to apply. There's a $25 application fee, and they do run a background check, which is probably good for everybody. If you're not sure what you can do on Taskrabbit, go ahead and look at the app and see what other people are doing, and I'm sure there's something you can do. Anybody can wait in line, and anybody can run errands for people. The next one is Clinical Trials. You're gonna go to Clinicaltrials.org for this one. You can make between $50 and up to about $8,000 from what I've seen online. You're actually going to be helping medical research using human volunteers, and that human volunteer would be you. So check that one out if that sounds like something you might like to do. The next one is another one I've done, and I actually made a lot more money than I thought I would. Right now, gold prices are very high, and you can sell gold. Go through your jewelry. If you have a parent that has some jewelry and they're going to let you go through that as well, just get any gold jewelry that you either don't wear or that's broken and then sell it. You would not believe how much some of this stuff is worth. When you sell gold, you probably want to shop around and get more than one bid for it. Take it to a couple jewelers. You can also take it to a gold buyer that just buys gold, or you can sell it on eBay. When I did this years ago, I just took the first offer and I sold it and I was happy, so I have no idea if I could have gotten more or not. The next one is online surveys. I'm actually not a big fan of online surveys because they're typically very time consuming and you don't make a lot. But if you go to Surveyjunkie and you download it, you can do them on your phone. So if you have a commute on a car or a train, not while you're driving of course, or a bus, or you got some extra time during the day, you're not doing anything anyway, you can just go ahead and do a few surveys and make a few extra bucks. So that again is Surveyjunkie. The next one's really cool. It's called BNB Experiences. This is an online way to make money. You're gonna sign up for Airbnb Experiences, and if you have any skill, any talent, you live in a very cool neighborhood, or anything at all, you can create an experience. So you could actually be a local guide for your city or your area. You can teach a cooking class, you can teach meditating, you can just chit chat. You can pretty much do anything on there that you can think of. It's really fun to go on the Airbnb Experience app and see what everybody else is doing. That might spark some ideas for you, but pretty much anything that you're good at or that you're passionate about or that you love, go for it. This would be really fun if somebody lived on a farm or just in a very interesting or different area, a very crowded city, a very empty city, pretty much anything. This next one is just like Taskrabbit, but nothing like Taskrabbit. This is Fiverr and Upwork. This is kind of like Taskrabbit where you do things for other people, but it's all online. I'm pretty sure it's all online anyway. So you fill out a profile for Fiverr or Upwork, and you can make money if you have any skills at all, such as marketing, writing, music, audio, programming. You could be a virtual assistant, and if you have any knowledge or any experience in any kind of tech, graphic design, lifestyle, and so much more. Pretty much anything that you can think of, you can name your own prices and your own hours. The next one is going to be affiliate links that I have, and I found out about them through affiliate links, so I actually really like these. The first one is Webull. It's a stock trading platform that's totally free to trade stocks. If you click the link below and deposit $100, you will get 2 free stocks and I'll get 2 free stocks. I found out about this through another affiliate link, and I've actually doubled my money since downloading the app. The stocks are going to be worth up to about $1,600 and as low as about $16. So it's at least a free $16. The next one is Yotta Savings. This is an app-based savings where you get lotto type tickets for free while you're saving money. I found out about it through an affiliate link and I made an entire video on it. So check it out if you want to do it. All you have to do is sign up, deposit at least $25, and every week you'll be entered into a drawing to earn up to $10 million. Check out my video. It's a super cool idea. I made a very detailed video about it when I found out about it. I absolutely loved it. Since I've downloaded Yotta, I've made $123.95, and that's money that I wouldn't have made sitting in a savings account that's just really not making anything right now. Next one's one I've been doing for years, and it's awesome. It's dog sitting. I work through Rover.com. I made a very detailed video about that one, giving you all of my tips and tricks and explaining the app. As I work from home, the dogs come over, I hang out with them, I walk them, I pet them, and I make money. If you're interested in working with Rover, check out the link below and watch my video. It gives you all the details. So thanks for watching. Let me know which one of these was your favorite one, your least favorite one, which one you would do or didn't do, or if you've done any. If you have any other ideas on ways to make extra money, please leave them in the comments to help other people. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.